We've got a red 1966 Chevelle convertible. And you know what's really cool about it? I bought it locally from a gentleman that's owned it for 29 years. He had a complete body off frame restoration done at Custom Classics. I can give them a little shout out right now. They're a local high-end shop. They do things the right way. They do full-blown restorations. If they were to do this car today, I'd probably have to ask 3 times what I'm asking for because everything's just gone up. But anyway, body off frame, rebuilt big block, rebuilt 4-speed, rebuilt posi, got disc brakes. Nice car, folks. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, look at about 100 pictures top to bottom, and that is where you'll find a price tag on this one and every other car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option as well to make it easy for you. That's all at volocars.com. Now, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. And if there's a car that really gets you excited, we have a Buy It Now button on our website. You click that, and that'll lock it up until you have a chance to talk with a salesman. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. Okay, I have a handful of pictures of the car off the frame. It looks like a really clean body to start with. The floors are all rust-free, clean metal, and then they sprayed it with, they prepped it and sprayed it with chip guard, and it's tinted the same color. So it's red rubberized chip guard on the floors. The chassis, the frame was sandblasted, made smooth, and painted gloss black. So the A-arms and all that stuff is nice gloss black. The front end steering and suspension completely rebuilt. In back, it has an upgraded Hotchkiss system. The upper and lower control arms are Hotchkiss. It's got a nice dual exhaust system, Flowmaster mufflers. It sounds great. Nice fat pipes, some polished tips. Oh no, they're not polished. They're slash cut tips. You'll hear that at the end of the video. I was saying they're upgraded to disc in the front. They were still drum in '66. So the whole brake system was redone. The e-brake is hooked up. Fuel system was replaced when they restored the car. All the lines, brake lines, fuel lines. So everything under here, every component was replaced or rebuilt. You look up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange, has a high torque starter. The M20 Muncie 4-speed was completely rebuilt, and I have the name of the shop. I think it's Roadmaster Transmissions. All the work was done locally. The rear end was also rebuilt by the same shop that did the trans. It's got 355 Richmond gears in there. It's a posi. So a nice setup. Car runs nice, feels nice, shifts nice. Let's check out the body. So they put the SS hood on here. It's fantastic. Looks like it was painted yesterday. I mean, it's like glass. It's absolutely straight, not a wave, not a ripple. All the lines are real nice, smooth, clean along the bottoms. That's one of those shops, they do it right. Their paint jobs look good 20 years after they're done. I honestly didn't catch when this one was done, but it looks fresh, and it may have been done a while ago. And by looking at the suspension and that, I don't think there's many miles on it. So back to the body, I was telling you, if they're done right, they'll last, and this one was done right. I mean, it's not shrinking, it's not bubbling, cracking, there's no issues that are showing up. It's absolutely clean body, absolutely straight, clean, smooth, door gaps are really nice, excellent, laser beam straight. Now that I've looked at it closely, I'm really more impressed than I was 2 minutes ago. This is really nice body, painted red. And it's like glass. I don't see chips, I don't see cracks, I don't see any problem areas. And again, not saying there isn't a flaw. Like here's a little tiny chip on the very edge of the hood. But this is a very high quality paint job. So up front, bumper looks like show quality chrome. The grille looks to be in really nice shape. Couple really light scratches here and there, but I'm sure that was all replaced when they restored it. 396 cross flag emblems are sparkling. The moldings, the grills, all the trim looks really nice. Probably the original vent window frame. but it's really nice for original. The trim on the bottom is nice and straight. There's a little bit of black paint in between here, and it's flaking off a little bit. Door handle looks nice. You can see the convertible top on our website. It's a black convertible top. It's in excellent shape. It has some, they're newer, but they're the vintage style American Racing Daisy wheels, their nickname. The chrome is sparkling. They're 15-inch. Got some nice meaty BF Goodrich tires on there. Trim is replaced. Bumper looks like show quality chrome. So the outside of the car is looking really good. Let's see how it looks inside. Okay, I don't think I've opened this yet. Yeah, I seen it the day you brought it out. Okay, so the paint, as expected, it's all slick, very slick, including the jamb. Weather strip is replaced. Inside the trunk compartment's all clean metal, neatly spatter painted. We got a spare, and I don't see a jack, just a spare. And this here looks like these are rear armrest cut. Well, I don't know what that is. Well, it's yours if you buy the car. Well liner looks good. It's a nice clean trunk. Let's pick up a jack, and honestly, you're not going to use the old bumper jack on a car like this anymore. So if you want it for looks, you get a bumper jack. If you want something functional, you buy yourself a little scissors jack at the parts store. Door jambs painted nice and slick. Weather strips were replaced, although this side is missing a chunk. Door panels look really nice. The interior metal was painted. Dash is nice and clean. You know, stock instrument panel looks good. Heater control panel is a little faded, so a lot of this looks like it could be original. They've added some Mallory gauges, so you can keep an eye on oil pressure and temperature, and a little mini tachometer too. No glove box liner. Carpet's real nice. Center console's real nice. Hurst shifter is just smooth as can be. The seats feel good. Back seat's real nice. The armrests are reupholstered. So I have no idea what that black material is for. This is a red interior. Nice wood steering wheel. So you know what? This is just one of those cars you just get in and drive and enjoy and shift those gears and feel the breeze. And you want to go to a car show, it'll do very well there too. But this is a car you can get in and use. So it is a 396 motor, was completely rebuilt. Has an Edelbrock intake and carburetor up on top. Complete MSD ignition system with a billet distributor. Some nice polished valve covers and matching caps. We got some coated headers. The plug wires are run neatly. And the whole engine bay is gloss black, painted beautifully. Has a chrome fuel pump, chrome alternator. We got fan shroud, and everything is proper. Billet bracket, we got power steering, power brakes. Yeah, very, very nice motor compartment. Looking under the hood, gloss red, hood insulation. It's really sharp looking. £60 oil pressure. Revs up clean, idles smooth. You know what, folks? It's Friday, 4:30. The sun is shining. I might not come back. Yeah, like I said, this is just a car. It's like how I own them. It's really nice. I'd be proud to own it, and I'd get out and I'd use it. Full frame-off restoration from a quality shop, so I know it's put together right. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. New windshield, too. including how to get it delivered to your door and how to get it financed. That's if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching. Let us go back to the office.